सो हाय एवरीवन जी, कैसे हैं आप सब। मैं राजन चौधरी आज फिर से हाजिर नया टिप लेकर के। आज हम बात करेंगे डिफरेंस बिटवीन अनदर, अदर और अदर्स। द वर्ड अदर इज एन adjective. It refers to something different. The teacher held a textbook in one hand and a pencil in the other hand. The word other is often used with the. It can be used with singular or plural nouns. For example, we crossed to the other side of the street. For example, I liked the lesson, but other students thought it was boring. The other students is wrong. Okay? Let's finish this task and leave the other tasks for tomorrow. This is right. And the others task is wrong. Okay? And others is a noun, and we use it when we don't say the noun specifically. It can only be used for plural things. I liked the lesson, but the others thought it was boring, is equal to the other students implied. Okay? For example, let's finish this task and leave the others for tomorrow, is equal to the other tasks. This is implied. Okay? And the word another is used when you are talking about one additional thing. For example, I ate 2 slices of pizza and I am still hungry. So I am going to eat another one. Means one more slice of pizza. For example, the Harrisons just had another baby. Now they have 5 children. Means one more baby. You know, it can also be used to describe something different, like a or an plus other. For example, I don't understand. Could you give me another example? So, what's the difference between the other when used for a singular noun and another other singular? The other is specific. It is when there are only two options. Another is general. It describes one of many options. For example, there was a red shirt and a blue shirt. I look terrible in red, so I bought the other shirt. As equal to the blue one, the only option different from the red shirt. Okay? And next example, I don't like this red shirt. Do you have it in another color? So, another color is equal to one other color among many possibilities. Is it? मेरे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर लीजिएगा ताकि आपको और भी नए टिप्स मिलते रहें। थैंक यू।